Here at Particle Measuring Systems, we take pride that the instrument you receive will be coming to you in a strong working order. We've halt tested all of our packaging and our instruments to make sure that they will arrive safely. For calibration, we recommend that you calibrate your instrument annually, and that can be done at any PMS office globally. The normal turnaround time is approximately 2 weeks, however it will depend, so please contact your local PMS office for more specific details. So as you take your instrument out of the box for the first time, and if you run into any troubles or need any help in terms of creating an application or understanding an application, feel free to contact Particle Measuring Systems at any point.
When you unbox your Lasair 3110, the first thing you'll see is the quick guide and calibration certificate that comes with every product. You'll also receive your ship kit that includes 2 different lengths of sample tubing and power supply, a zero count filter, an isokinetic sample probe, adapters to modify your TRH probe or other analog inputs to the instrument, as well as the wall mount to adapt the tubing to the ISP. The portable version also comes with additional rolls of cleanroom qualified printer paper, as well as batteries to operate without the power supply.
We hope that you found this video informative, and thank you for your attention.
More information can be found online at our website and on our YouTube channel.